Problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling.
Alright y'all, this is the video for the Shine Armor, man. I've had this product on my car for like 3 weeks now, and I can definitively say that it's amazing, man. Look at the car, look at it right now. This is it right here. This is the same car, man. Waterless wax. Again, it's got the ceramic coating in it that makes your car stay clean for a very long time, man. You can see it's got a couple of spots in it, but look, man, I wiped this thing down. Look, come on now. Come on now. And of course, I put a little tire weight on the wheel just so it looks better for you guys. But hey, I'm really impressed with this product and how easy it is to actually use. You can just wipe the car down with a microfiber towel, spray it, and I haven't even used like half the bottle yet. This is just like quick, get ready and go to the car meet type of deal, man. And I'm really impressed with it. It stayed clean for like 2 weeks. Whenever I did my last videos, pretty much the last time I've touched the car, I did like a quick little wipe down this weekend because I had a car meet to go to. And man, I'm really impressed with it. It's been raining still. I can't catch a break on that, but this should let you know that if you put this product on your car, man, what they say it does on the bottle, it really does, man. And so it gets my stamp of approval. Just look how good the car looks. I got the McGuire's. I need to get that Shine Armor, man. I got the Shine Armor in the whip.
I washed it and it's still dirty.